Okay, it's time for the main event. Yes! I say, ang masasabi ko, happy wife, happy life. Happy wife, happy life. Di ba, mami?
Hindi, happy husband, happy wife.
Eh, ganun ba?
Kasi pag hindi ang happy ang husband, maghahanap ng iba.
Kaya happy si wife kapag hindi naghahanap ng iba.
Mommy
Diba?
can find
Happy husband, happy wife. Tandaan nyo to guys, sa panibagong misis ngayon guys ha. Happy husband, happy wife. Yun ang... Kasi kapag ka ang husband hindi happy,
siyempre maghahanap yun.
maghahanap yun.
Hindi happy ang wife.
Kaya ngayon, hindi magiging happy ang wife. Kaya naman, happy husband, happy wife. Oh, gets off. Alright. Oh. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Good morning guys. So, double check natin. Han, kumpleto ka na Rita? Kumpleto na. May tubig kami, kumpleto na. May mga pagkain kami, may beef steak kami dito, kumpleto.
door first over there.
Yeah. Mananda.
Door, are you gonna lock it?
Okay. Bakay, get inside now. Inside. Wala tayong mapaglagyan ng bike mo Bakay kaya hindi natin pwedeng dalhin. Alright guys, babalik ang lakay. Home time tayo. Today, we will going to our small property in St. Laurent. Pasyalan namin yung RV namin doon. Saka yung property. 3 days tayong day off ngayon. Mula ngayon, ang sunod na biyahe ko is Friday na. Alright. Mag-relax naman tayo. You guys see it, Alin? Yeah. Okay. Han, bakit hindi mo ginagamit yung meron naman dito? Sira ba? Okay. Ganda. Ganda na. Napaka-smooth pa ka mo ang napaka-smooth pa yung yung tunog niya. Magaling yung shoutout na naman, shoutout sa sa kapitbahay namin na gumawa dito sa aming Ngayon ang next na project namin guys, ito yung sa taas. Nohan no, tignan mo naman yun, nasisira na. Kita nyo yung yung roof nya. Sira na yung roof namin dito sa garahe, kaya yan ang next project. So bali itong garahe namin, itong roll up na to. Magkano gastos mo sa roll up niyan, Han? Pati labor?
Ano tayo?
Ha?
Mga 2.5, 2.6.
2.6 yan? Oh, yung roll up lang pati labor.
Oh.
Tapos dun sa taas siguro nasa 2,000 something din yan. Kaya 2,000 plus. Kaya siguro mga babudget kami. Oh, mga babudget kami ng mga 6 to 7,000 sa pagpapa-upgrade nitong garahe namin. Pero siyempre dahan-dahan lang. But anyway, let's go. Let's go. Let's go St. Laurent. Who wants St. Laurent? Ate Clark. Okay. Tapos Batiti. He wants St. Laurent too? Okay. Let's go. Ikaw na mag-drive, Han? Okay. Dala mo ba yung natitirang alak? Oo, may dala rin. Yung natirang alak na binigay ni Ate Pau Pau nung Padres Day guys, hindi naman ako minom. Tapos nung Canada Day, Han?
It's close.
Nung Canada Day, pumunta rito yung mga close friends, close family friends namin, sila Joy at saka si Weng. Tapos yun, nag-shot sila ng konti. Pati yung misis nung gumawa ng roll up namin, pumunta rito nung Canada Day, nag-shot sila ng konti. Hindi naman nila naubos, kaya may natirang kalahati. Yun na lang yung babaunin namin sa Centoret. Alam niyo naman ang lakay guys, hindi na ako masyadong nagiinom. Kasi nga siyempre inaalagaan natin yung health natin, pero hindi naman natin sinasabing na hindi tayo nagsasaya kahit paano. Paminsan-minsan uminom din naman tayo. Tama ba? Unang may meses na napaka smooth ang skin ha. Uy.
Bro, crunchy.
What?
Corn crunchy.
Crunchy.
You're calling Papa cornball?
Alright, let's go guys. Let's go.
Bilang mo ito ng ice.
Ice, bilhin mo tayo ice. O sige, daan muna kami sa ice guys.
7-Eleven.
Dito na lang sa 7-Eleven. Ako na lang bababa. Yan, pasukin mo dyan. Bilhin muna ako ng ice guys.
There.
Yan, kahit dyan sa gilid.
That's where we go. Let's
I'm just gonna buy ice.
Can I buy circle? I'm just joking.
Alright guys. Home Depot-han. Home Depot. Dito kami guys, sa labas muna. Kasi inaantay ko yung parcel. Bumalik kami rito sa bahay kasi inaantay ko yung parcel na darating sa akin. Baka mamaya nakawin eh. Bigla kasing may nag-text sa akin. Yan. Ayaw naming iwanan dito at baka mamaya manakaw eh. Marami rin magnanakaw rito sa Canada guys. Sa palagay nyo, binalikan namin kasi baka mamaya nakawin eh. Mahirap na. Ano yung mga basura naman ito. So please deliver all package to the side door. Doon dapat sila sa kabila, pero baka mawala, importante yun eh. Para sa truck ko yun eh. Yung knock sensor na in-order ko yan. Knock sensor. Hintay na lang natin saglitan. Hintay lang natin saglit. Malapit na han. 2 stop na lang siya.
Hindi ko nga kinuha yan eh.
Hindi, panggagatong natin doon.
Basa pa.
1 stop away na lang oh. Current location ng DHL. 1 stop away. Ayan oh. 1 stop away yung DHL. Dito na yung bahay namin oh. Para day. Doon yung school. Kitang kita guys ha. Kitang kita ang ebidensya. Abang-abang lang. Alright, let's. Ha? Oo. Dito ako sa ano guys. Abangan ko lang siya. Hi! 721?
Yeah, Nestor.
Yes. Yes, my name is Nestor.
Here it is.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, have a good day.
Yeah, okay, you don't need the picture?
Oh, I can take a picture. Yeah. Thank you. Have a
Okay.
good day.
You too. Okay. Alright, listen, nandito na yung package ko. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Balik na kami sa plano guys, original plan. Mahirap na, baka mamaya mawala. Ang ganda pa na pagkakapackage ano.
Pupulutin talaga yan.
Okay, let's go. Alright. Pupulutin talaga nila. Marami ring magnanakaw dito guys. Sa Canada. Marami, lalo na yung mga ano? Yung mga ibang iba dyan. Alright, let's go. Tuloy tayo sa planong pupunta ng St. Laurent. Everybody is sleeping? Okay. It's only Baki. Mami, handaan muna tayo sa pagkasunalanan.
Oo.
Tapos bibili rin ako ng loto guys. Loto. Baka mamaya it's time na manalo ang Lakay Tracker kahit mga pangpuhunan lang ng isa pang truck. Mamimili ako ng driver sa Pilipinas na kukunin ko para mag-drive ng truck na bibilin ko. Nanalo ko loto, di ba? Yan. Loto ba naman basta siyempre malaking halaga. Paano kung manalo ka lang nakapranggot? Wala rin. Pagdasal nyo malaki guys, malaki. Para lahat tayo meron. Ayun na yung Ditsil oh. Hi Ditsil. Alright guys, we are here now. Ako na magbubukasan. We are here. St. Laurent. Nabili na pa. Wala na yung paskil dyan guys. Nabili na nila. Binili na nila. Naunahan na kami. Yan, wala na. Bali. Wala naman kaming budget kasi ngayon. Ay, walang budget. Okay. Abante! Alright guys. Kasi nung mga 2 days ago galing na sila misis dito. Nag-ano na sila. Kita nyo, nalinisan na nila. Nalinisan na nila misis. So, kutan muna natin ang ito yung nakaraan guys, di ba? Nakita nyo sa previous video vlog natin, itong hindi na mower. Ito yung binibenta. May paskel dyan yung realtor. Pero ngayon, wala na. Siguro nabenta na nila. Kutan muna natin ang RB. Ito yun nang linipad ng tatanggal pa naman. Itong RV namin ito, kumbaga sa para lang naman libangan ng mga bata. Hindi yung puro sila sa cellphone sa bahay. Importante rin dito. Katulad yan yung nakarang wala pa yung mga yan meron ng kuryente. Malamang Pilipino may-ari yan. Pinapagawa bago Ayun, nakita nyo? Mga ilang taon na lang dito magde-develop na to. Baka dito na nga kami pag kami tumanda na lang ni Miss, baka dito na kami magpatayo ng kubo-kubo Han, alam mo kung kanino yan, Han? Yung andon ginagawa Pilipino? Yan ang magandahan pagka malapit na ma-develop dito, pagka siguro dito na lang kami magpatayo ni Mrs. ng kubo-kubo pag matanda kami. Outside of the city na maingay, dito na lang kami ni Mrs. Han, lagyan natin ilatag natin yung plastic. Ay, yung
Oo, meron.
sige guys, magasikaso lang muna kami dito. Tapos babalikan ko ito, tulong muna ako sa kanila. Let's go, tulong-tulong. Okay. Oops. Pinagbubuksan pala ni Misa. Mami, open it. So you want is smelly? Sarado natin kasi meron ng kuryente. Nilagay na ni Mami charge na.
How long was I staying here? I forgot.
Okay, one.
How long I was staying here? I forgot.
How long you guys just come here? Ikaw talaga, Clark, okay.
I'm just joking with that.
Did you now? Okay, yan. So, right. Itaas natin ito, Nak. Maglagay ka ng anuhan. Pupunitin niya kaya. Yung sa ilalim. Ano? Hindi na? Okay. Yung mga lamesa. Oh, yung yuning. Han, maano siya Oh, yun. Sige, Han. Oh, malakas ang ano ngayon, malakas ang ano natin, ang kuryente. Kasi meron din kasing ano tong ano namin. Anong meron, Han? Solar?
Battery.
Battery at saka solar, di ba? Yung solar, tapos china-chargean niya yung battery namin. Sagad mo na.
Hindi, babalik na yan pagka isagad. Babalik na yan. Oh, yan oh.
Ganyan lang.
Oh. Taas natin konti.
Oh, sige. Okay. Oh, sige. Yung lamesa, tayo baba na natin dito lahat yun. Okay. So ito mga tubig, Han. Sige, doon ka sa ano, diyan ka, Han, at abot ko sa iyo ito. Ito mga tubig. Ako taga-abot. Oops. Huwag mong gasgasin, buhatin mo na para hindi magasgas yung floor natin.
I'm gonna go help. Can I take sweet potato over there?
Move. Ha?
Can I take the sweet potato over there?
What are you taking?
The sweet potato over there.
Sweet potato? Oh, it's mom. Yeah. You hungry now? Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, we will going to barbecue now and we will eat.
Oh, okay. Then I'll eat later.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
So, it's guys, mga karne namin. Ano pa, Han? Sa loob ba to? O dito lang sa labas? Dito lang sa gilid? Ah, sige, sa gilid lang. Ito, dito na lang ito. Ilabas ko rin.
Ilabas mo.
Alright. Sinel, yung ano natin, na isarado mo kasi malulubat yan. Yung dito na. Okay.
Teka, meron ng patungan doon. Patong.
Alright. Alright guys, na-set up na namin lahat-lahat. Oh, kita nyo yung set up namin dito. Dito lahat yung mga iihawin namin. Ito, may shrimp si Mami. Mayroon din siyang squid. Oh. Tapos mayroon, ano to, bangos, Han? Bangos? Nasa ilalim?
Oh, bangos.
Bangos, tapos mayroon siyang chicken. Oh. Tapos may limpo o limpo?
Limpo.
Oh, limpo. Okay, tapos mayroon kaming talong dito, guys. Oh, vegetable namin. Kailangan namin magtalong ni Mami. Okay, so of course, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, ito. Meron din kaming pakwan at kalahating bakarde. Yan. Ito lang yung alak namin ni Mrs. Okay na natin dito. Simulan na natin to. Let's go, simulan na.
Guys, I
Oy.
used to drink wine when I was trying to get Coke when my dad wasn't here. I drink some.
Don't say that to the camera.
I drink
Andiyan ka na naman. Ginadali mo na naman yung mga subscriber natin. O, tapos meron kaming club size na beef steak. Oh, guys. Alright. Ako mag-iihaw dito. Oh, yan oh. Mainit na. Maglagay pa tayo ng mantikahan. Meron kami ditong ito propane. Lagyan pa natin mantika. Han?
Give me some.
Okay. Lagyan ko na. Wala lang dala si Mrs. na painitin pa muna, mamaya pa siguro. Wala na dala si Mrs. na yung nakalimutan niya. Yung ipit. Han, ano pa? Wala ipit?
Walang ipit na.
Okay, di bale. Ano naman ito meron naman tayo ritong kutsilyo. Okay. Han, pwede na dito? Han?
Hi.
Pwede na ako mainit na siguro?
Pwede na.
Pwede ko naman kamayin eh. Sinil, ikaw taga-iwan na ka. Guys, ihaw-ihaw time. Barbecue. Kunin mo yung cellphone ko. Mag-video ka dito. Doon sa... Andun na ito. Dito sa bulsa ko.
Mom.
Backing. Ayun ako na.
La 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 perfect. Oh.
Meron naman siguro tayong towel. Pamunas ko ng daliri ko kung sakali na. No. Ano sa kabila? Ayan guys.
Start na tayong mag-inuman ka na rin.
Dalawang araw o tatlong araw kami dito guys. Kaya may time kami ni Miss mag-inuman. Kalahating bote ang iinumin namin. Woohoo! Meron ka naman yatang kunting dyan, ano? Ah, sunog na. Ba't parang ang lakasan? Tutok kasi? Hindi nakatutok kasi meron siyang ano. Lutuin natin masyadong kuntihan. Ay, kuntihan. Kasi baka mamaya magkabulati tayo. Tipworm pa naman na hindi, ano, tipworm. Mahilig tayo sa ihaw-ihaw. Baka mamaya magka-tipworm tayo. It will reside into your belly until you
So long back to where I don't change this to quietly. Mom, help me with the Wi-Fi.
dito na pinu-wifi. Uy, sabay pa kami. Wish.
Beware of pizza.
7 million lang, okay na agad. Hindi, tumaya kami ng loto ganina guys. 7 million lang, okay na.
Pwede na wifi.
Bakit we don't have any wifi?
Can we go to the beach now?
Jesus Christ, who's cooking this? Ate Sinel? Ikaw, kapag walang wifi, beach pupunta. Eh, paano naman ang kakainin natin? Ikaw talaga. Beach is tomorrow, ngayon ang ihaw-ihaw.
No, don't drink that one.
Tatlong araw tayo
You
rito
have
eh.
thing in there. Don't drink that one. Don't drink that one. I'm gonna get you something.
Bro. No, stop. Come on, God.
Isinat na ba natin, Han?
Hey, Bakeo. That's a soda there at the club.
Yung pinatay mo?
Yan na.
Pinatay mo?
Saan ba yun? Oh.
Patayin mo muna. Ano mo na ano? Meron niya.
Hello. Medium.
Hey! Nak, oh, ikaw na mag-ano nito ha, ikaw tagahiwa. Hold on. Be careful because it's a little hot. Para makakain na tayo, makakain na kayo. There. Start na. Isa-isa lang muna, tapos hindi pa luto yun. Knife, may kutsilyong maliit dyan. Wala ba tayong gunting, Han? Nakalimutan mo nagdala.
Wala rin yung gunting kinuha ni Clark dito eh.
If you have scissor, look. Nak. Tara mga kain na tayo. Gutom na rin kayo. Tapos pagpatuloy natin ang mag-barbecue. As mami, puro rice. Kumain ka na ng rice, bigyan mo ulam.
No, this
I don't want to eat that.
Mag-pray tayo. Bakit kumain ka na lang? Mag-pray ka na, okay? Wash your hands there na. Bakit? Ang bango niya, no?
Maganda ang pagkakaano eh.
Wash your hands na.
If you want to eat, if somebody's want to eat, you just kasi today is ano tayo ngayon han? Cheat day. Cheat day.
Here.
This is my family, guys. It's not perfect but it's beautiful. Did our family is beautiful na? Nasasabi ko sa'yo. Yan tayo eh. Mga
Mark, are you
dating,
not hungry na?
mga datingan mo na ka.
Wala nang upo-upo.
Ubla.
Hindi, iba kasi dito guys eh. Iba sa Canada. Different in the Philippines. The way they talk, the way you speak, the way they answer questions, it's very different. Right? Syrup! Syrup!
Ganito bakit ganun ang
There's
gagawin?
the bone.
Oh, paano na lang yung mga iba naman, puro na lang taba ang kakain nila.
Syrup!
Hansi, bakit tumatagay na? Ay.
Hi!
Did you drink wine?
I'm giving you a cup Tapos ganyan pala.
Shot na tayo, sinashot na ni Mrs.
Yun na lang reels mo yun.
Hindi, basta yun, Han. Basta yun, ito kasi sa akin yan. Basta yun, gumawa ka na, ano mo.
Ayun, Grit. Yes. Ayun. Kumain ka na doon.
Kumain ka muna. Huli mo na yung isang limpon na yun, yung ulam mo. Ha? Buha plate. Kumami mo na lang dyan. Ito, pandok mo yung dulo niya.
Sige na, kumain ka na. Kakano dyan.
Hinahanap niya yung gusto niya. Yung parte ng liempo, sabi ko nga sa kanya eh. Yung parte ng liempo. May sapsawan sana.
Gawa.
Alright. Tomorrow, yeah. Ba't hindi ka na naliligo sa beach, Nell? You don't like it anymore? You're growing up? Oh. You can wear underwears. Underwears, two-piece. Ano tuloy natin inaw? Oh. We cannot even finish the wine. Kalahat, it's only half bottle until now we cannot finish guys. So, pupatuloy namin yung minom. Kanina, nagpahinga lang muna kami sa loob. Kasi sobrang init kanina, tapos namin kumain. Ha?
Finish it for you.
Finish it. Talaga, lasinggira ka na rin yata. Ito. Hindi maubos-ubos, baka hanggang bukas pa yan.
That's enough na, Clark.
He won't give me the lollipop.
That's enough now.
Si Baki. Wala nang ibang isisip din.
I just want
Forever. I won't move my legs.
Go get the watermelon there then.
Isa lang pala yung EL binili mo?
Dalawa yan, ha?
Tuno na isa? Ang suda mo, iisa lang? Ganun tas ito. Yung mandad suda. Ang cheeser. Guys! Tuloy!
Help me. Look, fetch.
This is mamandad suda. Do not atsuke.
I'll share with
Yeah, hindi mo pwedeng ubusin yan. Wala tayong suda na marami. Kinain nyo na yung ibang suda. Share na lang.
this one. Cannot. You need to know one.
Oh, hindi maganda.
Ha? Oh, hindi maganda.
Ma.
Oh, yung stick mo.
Retreat!
It's on here. You want it? Retreat.
Masusunog
You
talaga.
want it? Get the lollipop.
Kalimutan kasi guys ni Mrs. magdala na. Do not play in there, Sinel. Huwag maglaro there. Dito sa labas lang kayo maglaro. Mamaya masubran nyo yung ano eh. Mag ano dyan.
Yes.
Magiba lang yun. Alaki-laki ni Baki. Si Baki, laki-laki guys.
We almost sa ano na.
Give me the other one. Give it. Give it. You know what? You want it?
Baki, that's my spot. Move.
I have to get the lollipop from Baki. Yes. No. Yes. No.
There's one over there.
Hindi namin mo ubos-ubos.
Ate, can you help me get the lollipop from Baki? You want it? Grab it. Thank you.
Ang tamis ng watermelon.
The cat. The cat.
Hanap ng laro si Baki kahit ganyan.
Thank you.
Silang dalawa. Kaya pag lumaki yan si Clark, problema na ako. Wala kalaro si Baki.
Water sa'yo. Do not drink the soda anymore. Water sa'yo. Nakainom ka na ng isang, ano, masyado ka na.
He drank the whole thing.
You're gonna get, diabetes.
Give me the cap, I won't take any.
Oh. You're gonna get diabetes.
I need to hide these candies.
Baka nakakabingi na yung walang yun.
I can't.
Yan, malapit na ma-full charge. Dito yung cellphone ko. Malakas kasi ngayon ang araw, no?
Yes,
Mabilis. Mabilis mag-charge.
Yes, sir.
Clark!
Like,
Yan
oh,
na.
sabay pa kami ni ma'am. Kumain ka na.
Nel, kumain na Nel.
Clark is did not eat.
Yeah.
Si Nel, ikaw alam mo ba ang kinain ni Clark? Energy lang kaya ng umaga.
Ay,
And that's
ay.
it.
Mom.
Di,
Tayo,
akala kasi
kumain na
niya,
tayo.
Inaano mo na naman yung say you're so cute.
What is it?
You say you're cute. Oh,
Oh, why is mom always saying
Sabihin mo namang
you say it's so
unfair.
cute.
Hindi pa kumain.
No, the way you say that, it's look like Clark only we're asking to eat. You guys can also eat.
I'm saying both of you saying it.
There's a till over there.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay.
Jeez, oh my god.
Now, he's just a nice kid. Chat mo. Be careful ah. Sige ba? Camera over there. Because your job is going to cut meat. Ah, tapos na pala yung pork chop kanina, no?
Naubos na? Meron pa doon?
Oo nga, ibig ko sabihin, tapos na nating naihaw yung pork chop.
Is there more, Mom?
Pork chop?
Yeah, initin na lang.
Paano may init yun na ihiwa-hiwa na?
Sarap yun pagka natosta.
Clark, your food. Asan yung rice niya? Go get your rice,
May,
I'm only getting bread.
bread and hot dog.
Yeah.
ayun yung relish. At saka...
Which one you like here?
The
Nel,
mosquito
kumain na,
fly
Nel.
in my nose to try to bite it.
Sinel kung gusto mo rin ito.
I want this chicken.
Kumain na, nak.
Chicken and rice?
Out there, can you help me?
Dinner na to ah.
Matamis it.
Alas, ano pa lang han? Alas 5?
You need to wipe your body. Do not go to bed, ha?
Do not go to bed kapag hindi kayo nag-wipe. Clark, which one you like here? Mayonnaise?
Ketchup.
And? Ba't ganyan yung kulay?
Dala yan ni Snil galing sa school.
Igaganyan ko lang tapos lagyan ko ano?
Hindi ba hiwa?
I think they toasted it, Mom.
Just to toast first?
Nel, oh.
I don't want, Mom.
Ayun niya.
Ate, can you help me?
What?
Bucky, he's gonna poke me.
Clark oh.
Bucky, don't poke at the card.
Thank you.
Bake. Sige na, kumain na.
Thank you.
Bakit sit down here? Here, yung hinahanap mo. Which one you like?
63 calories.
You like which one you like? Hot dog and mayonnaise, ketchup.
No,
Just like this?
yes,
Okay. Are you sure?
yes.
Okay.
Do not run while you're holding that one, ha? Dalhin natin ito sa camping ito, ano? Portable.
Oh. Nasaan yung ano mo? Pusit mo.
Doon ba sa loob?
I'm trying to get my foot off.
Oh, so batty. Ah. Oh my god.
Mayroon pa palang shrimp si Mami. Shrimp.
God. Ow. Get burned alive.
Dami naming iihawin ngayon guys.
Oh my
Baka pa.
bucket. Bo, how do I
Bukas ulit yung iba. Nakaprits pa naman yung iba eh. Dito pa naman tayo eh. No.
Hina yung friends.
Hindi lalakas din yun. Hindi mapapanis. Pwede namang lutuin lahat na kung gusto mo.
Lutuin na natin.
Ayun guys oh.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's time for the main event.
Holy hands!
Who wants the ano?
Give me
Not
some.
me, because I don't like octopus. I like shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp. You can put shrimp too.
Can I try flipping it?
What?
I want to try flipping one.
Oh.
Well, just let me.
Can I try flipping it?
You're not slick, Bucky. You're not slick.
I want to hold
Doon sa
it.
loob ha? Oh. Later hindi pa siya luto. How can you
Says
flip
with
that
your
thing?
emo
Go there.
song.
Go in this side. Paano mo i-flip yung kung hindi pa luto?
Smoke. Smoke.
Smoke.
Smoke.
I don't hear.
Be quiet!
There you go.
Oh my god!
There you go.
Weenie bowl!
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope
Ay, do not slice that. Why are you slicing things like that?
Coca-Cola is
Luka.
cool.
Doon ka sa kabila. Para makotot
Cola
yung
is
ano,
more.
likuran. Diba?
Ang lalaki oh.
Wonder why I don't even give you a lollipop. Eh.
Gonna get burst.
No, no,
Okay.
no, no,
Oh, shot na.
no.
Finally, now we can put my music.
Later, Baki, I will tell you, okay?
Don't you dare take the lollipop.
Yeah.
Sarap ng buhay ng mga anak bata na ito.
Sarap ng buhay. Ang kukulit pa. Ayaw pa makisama sa magulang. Guys, oh, meron tayo rito, ah.
Sorry,
Ito.
sir.
Han, maganda pala ito, oh. Isang ganito lang?
Ay, baka kilala mo yung lakay.
Hindi, siguro. Baka kung Pilipino. Pilipino tayo, eh. At hindi kilala sila kay baka sa Pilipino yun. Nakita niya mukhang Pilipino tayo, eh.
Don't you dare.
Yan.
Don't you dare.
Mm.
Put that skin back.
Son of a ball.
Some of a poop.
Next time pagka
Son of a
ano,
ball.
mag-ano
Son
tayo,
of a-
frozen ko na.
Son of a.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm not actually doing it.
Kayo mga, ano, oh.
You want this?
Son of a gun.
You want this? You want?
Masarap ng ano, seafoods.
Yes.
Guys, ganito lang ang buhay ng Lakay Tracker, guys. With kids, ito, nagkukulitan sila.
Isang video pa yan.
Can I finally put my music?
No,
Oh.
you.
Isa yan, maghapon tayo nga. Yan. Nag-shot ka na?
I'm taking a shit.
Not the chicken, you already ate. Ayaw namin bigyan ng pagkain to si Baki. Siya na yung nakawalong beses kumain, yung mga kapatid niya. Hindi masyadong nagkakakain, lalo na si Clark.
Yes.
Iba natin si Neil, not too much. Si Baki talaga. Ha?
She ate some too.
Me?
Yes.
Baki, you ate the most.
Hmm.
I only ate one
Mm.
meal.
Thanks.
And I didn't eat breakfast too, Baki.
Yeah.
Dad.
Put your phone in there, do not play your music yet. Kumain ka muna, oh. Ha? That's enough, ha? Baka mamaya, kailangan mo pa rin ng pagkain. That's enough na Baki. Maawa ka naman sa tiyan. Maawa naman sa tiyan si Baki. Isang ganyan. Ay, ano? Oh, nagbo-burst na yung ano. Masarap,
Tutubig talaga yan.
masarap na gata.
Wait, can I have some? Only the chicken. Only the chicken.
Yeah, go get
Yeah.
it.
Like a little bit of it.
Kumain ka. Chicken.
A little bit
Si
of it.
Baki lang ang sinasabihan ng huwag kumain. How about you, Neil? Go eat some chicken.
I'm not hungry
You're not hungry?
right now. Maybe later.
Careful. Ayan guys. Ano kami ngayon? Cheat day, cheat day. Ano? Tikman mo ito. Meron pa kaming baka doon na iihawin ni Mrs. No? After nito,
Oh, yeah.
uupo kami mamaya dyan sa fire pit. Yun. Maya konti, ano pa? Maliwanag pa, no?
Yes.
Mamaya pag ano, madilim. Bak ano yung ano tapos sa Ito ang kanina pa to.
Hindi, wala kasi masyadong ano dyan.
Wala.
Ooh, someone's mad.
Who's someone's bad?
Someone is calling Lakay? Did they know?
Yeah, they're mad at the cause.
Right?
Both.
Ha?
That big.
Show to people what you're drawing, Clarky, Neil. Let me see. I will show them.
No, I'm just drawing a profile picture.
Did you draw that? Let me see.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna make my own YouTube channel, my art YouTube channel.
Ate Sinel is doing her own YouTube channel. Look at the drawing. Palakin mo na.
No, it's only on TikTok, bruh. It's only on TikTok.
So, ito yung iPad niya guys nung nabili nung birthday niya. Kita mo. Yung kanyang drawing yan. Did you draw this?
Yeah.
Okay. Marunong siya. Oh, kita nyo guys. Drawing niya yan. Mahilig siya.
Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
Mahilig siya sa cartoon character drawing eh. Galingan mo. Binalik mo?
Oo.
Okay. Hindi pa masyado? Palagay ko okay na. Okay.
Start the music.
Oh, Papa's still.
No, Bucky is
Not
still
yet.
eating.
Papa is going to say something.
Yeah. Bucky is still eating. You cannot play music while Bucky is eating. At the same time, hindi healthy.
Oh my gosh.
Ate Launay kakabsat na ikaw, tinagimas.
Ano yun?
Ito.
Which trend is better at
Ano yung naglilik yung ano, juice? Juice.
Matubig talaga, matubig yung ano.
I thought it was bang bang bang.
Pasit, pasit.
Bang, bang. Come
Ay,
on,
pasit.
baby.
Squib, squib.
Not, it's ne ne ne.
Bang, bang, bang.
Bang bang.
I say, ang masasabi ko, happy wife, happy
Happy
life. Happy wife, happy life. Di ba, mami? Sabi ko.
Hindi, happy husband, happy wife.
Eh, ganun ba?
Kasi pag hindi ang happy ang husband, ano yun, maghahanap ng iba.
Oh. Kaya happy si wife kapag ka hindi naghahanap ng iba.
Mommy
Diba?
can find
Happy
someone
husband,
easy.
happy wife. Tandaan nyo to guys, sa panibagong ang tawag nito, panibagong ngayon ng mga misis ngayon guys ha. Happy husband, happy wife. Yun ang daw si misis. Ito ka. O sabihin mo. Happy husband, happy wife daw. Kasi kapag ka ang husband hindi happy,
Siyempre, maghahanap yun.
maghahanap yun.
Hindi happy ang wife.
Kaya ngayon, hindi magiging happy ang wife. Oh. That's what si Mrs. na nagsabi guys. Sa mga Mrs. na nanonood sa vlog ng Lakay Tracker, may point ba si Mrs.? Kaya na mag-decide dyan sa baba. Share your thoughts down the description down below.
And even
So
the
totoo lang
comments.
guys, itong klase ng pamumuhay namin dito, itong dozen of family want to live this kind of life. At we are grateful, isa kami sa family na nabuhay dito sa Canada na merong ganito kahit paano. Kaya naman, happy husband, happy wife, si Mrs. na nagsabi.
Because if the husband is not happy, then the husband is not happy and is mad.
So, always grateful because there's a lot of people dream about this life. My family is not a perfect one, but it's a beautiful one.
Yes.
Happy husband, happy wife. Yun ang sabi ni Mrs. Hindi happy wife, happy life. Mukhang maganda na.
Kasi happy wife, hindi makasarili yun. Paano pala pang husband, hindi happy?
Ganun ba? Tama rin naman, makasarili rin pala yung selfish pala yung salitang happy wife, happy life. Dapat pala happy husband, happy wife. No? Yan. Uy, pusit! Hiwa-hiwain niya. Tikman yung talong ha, magtalong tayo. Ito pa yung talong guys ha. Once eggplant.
Hello here.
Tortong talar.
No, we're not Going the torta, we will going to.
Aw, so sad.
Wala naman tayong ano eh, wala naman tayong kumuha
What?
ka doon. Sa'yo ba yan?
I ain't wiping
Talong.
my fingers
Tartong
in your
talong.
skin.
Tartarong kami, tarong.
Tartong talar.
Can I have it all?
Goes to comb.
Ate, can I have it all?
Oh, nagawan yan. Mamaya kukuha na naman yan kasi nagawan.
Magandang or margar, guys. I'm just exaggerating.
My
Mario.
and my dare.
Alright guys. Ito naman ngayon ang titirahin namin. Isunod namin yung ano doon.
You can just do like this.
Isunod namin yung itong ano yung bangos at saka yung beef. Nuhan no? Sunod natin bangos beef. Uy! Lalaglagan. Shrimp! Pulutan.
Shrimp. What is shrimp? Kumaka-shrimp ka.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Shrimp naman talaga to. Shrimp. Shrimp.
I thought those were reference or something.
Shrimp. Yung nagbumuwar. Bakit namin guys nagbumuwar? Chats mo.
Minum mo kanina.
Yan kasi wala na kaming iniinom guys. Oh.
I think
Parang hindi pa wala na pala, wala na. Tapos sabi ni Mrs. hindi daw kami bibili ng alak na. Pagtsatsagaan na lang namin yung kalahating alak na leftover nila nung Canada Day. O ngayon, nga si Mrs. wala nang alak.
I think you drink it all, Pop.
Drink what?
Is
Wala na kaming alak. Okay na to.
Alcohol?
Yeah, Papa drank all the alcohol.
Mom.
Kamay.
When we found love,
Papadrink all the alcohol ah.
Oh,
Gandang huli, kasalanan ko na naman.
yes sir.
Yes, daw.
I want to taste the shrimp. I didn't taste anything yet.
Balagay na ko. Yung isa lang naman kainin mo. Para hindi sayang sa
Wow. Thank you, Mom.
I want Ati Papa and Ati Papa to visit.
Who?
Ati Papa and Ati Papa to visit.
I invite Ati Pao Pao. She said she has work.
What about Ati Papa?
Yeah,
They
she's at
both-
work too.
Papa called him today. Diba?
She's
You
work
heard it?
Yeah, what did
There's
they say?
no one there in their house.
Yeah, nobody's in their house because they're at work.
What did they say?
Sorry pa, we cannot come because we are at work. Just enjoy your day. That's why I'm telling you guys, your Ate Papa, there's a different life now. They have to work for their living. By the time you guys grow old, you cannot probably come with me and mommy anymore because you're going to make your own life. You guys cannot always depend to your parents.
Bakit
No one do that. You cannot depend every time always to your parents. You have to work for your life too. Okay?
Oh, look.
Yeah, I already got a job.
Do you now
Yeah, I'm a patrol.
patrol?
Mom, that's my job. I'm a patrol.
Okay, so
What's the page, though?
they pay you some?
No,
They don't pay you.
But they go field
Sa
trip.
training, that's
Yeah,
called
they pay you to buy Slurpees. They pay you.
No, I mean is Ate Papa, Ate Papa, they are working to make a living so that they can pay their like us. We need to buy food. We need to pay our house,
Bills.
car. Yeah. Yes.
Look it.
By the time you're gonna be like them, you will realize.
Life is not easy. Not always depend to your parents. You have to work for yourself.
Can Ati
Nick.
Papa and Ati Papa come to my 12th? Can come to Christmas?
Yeah, of course.
What about
Yeah.
my 12th birthday?
Yeah, you will. Of course, we always invite our family.
Yeah.
You cannot just invite. We're not gonna.
What if
can't
I want to
invite-
invite my friends?
None.
No.
Huh?
I can.
What if I want to invite my friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, mommy.
Your birthday?
Not me. Don't ask me. Mommy.
Not pizza. Because you're grade 6 na, di ba?
I can invite my friends.
Wow, I never invite my friends when I'm grade 6.
I can invite my friends.
When
So
your
lucky.
graduation na.
So lucky.
What Matthew and
Also, I didn't have that when I was grade 6. So
yeah,
lucky.
she didn't have that
What's
when
up?
she was grade 6.
Huh?
Mom, can I invite my friends?
Is this
Guntingin mo.
cooked? Is this cooked?
Yeah,
My
rice ko.
12th birthday.
Doon sa gunting doon.
It's still cold.
What? Can I invite like? Who do I invite though? Can I just invite one person?
Mmm.
Shami? Han, shots mo.
Lubat na yung RB.
Ha?
Lubat na.
Patayin mo na yung mga ano niya. Tanggalin mo na muna yung mga ano.
I want rice.
Guys.
I want rice.
Okay.
Huwag mong kamayin ha, kumuha ka ng ano.
Sandok.
Ate, can I draw on your iPad?
Bigyan mo muna yan kay Baki.
Me?
Kumain ka muna.
Clark,
Knife.
stay in the couch, not in the bed. Look at yourself, ha?
Ate Clark, look.
Ate, can I
Stay in the couch na.
Huwag ka rito, Han.
But there's no couch. Can I sit in my bed?
Alright, there is the couch, Baki. Ikaw talaga, nandiyan ka na naman sa puro, ano eh.
You cannot go in your bed, Baki. You're so dirty, ha?
Yeah. Not now, ha?
We're going to have a parpit pa later.
Wala tayong sibuyas. Sausawan.
Kuha ka ng kamote na.
What's come up?
Maghapon na kaming kumakain, guys.
Salt is a clean tower.
Wala nang tigil ang bunganga natin.
You know I have an iPad here. Why do you have to do that?
Chitti nga eh.
Baki! My iPad is not waterproof. Thank you. Sana all.
Dito ka.
People fall in love in mysterious ways.
Uy.
Oh,
Napakanta ka pala.
I
Maganda na.
cannot sing. I cannot sing. I suck at singing.
Do you know?
Yes, I do. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I do. Thank you for the food, Mom and Pop.
Welcome.
Salamat, Pose. Salamat.
I'm going in my bed.
Baki! In the couch.
I am.
Chichis!
No lying, Baki, ha?
Bago na naman yung soda mo. What is the other one?
But
You keep drinking yung ilang beses ka nang
finish it.
nakainom ng ganyan.
Clark finished it.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, not too much with the soda because it's not healthy.
Clark.
One for one day, akala mo isang buo pang ganito, nakalima ka na. Ano?
It was Ate Clark.
You can only drink one per day para hindi ka magkasakit. We're not depriving you, but we are teaching you how to be healthy, okay? Ay nako, wala na kaming alak guys. Yan, nga kami ngayon ni Mrs. Nga kami ni Mrs. Paano kasi ayaw niyong bumili kaya wala kaming alak na. Yung leftover lang yung alak namin ng Canada Day, wala na. Kakain na lang kami. Maghapon kaming kumakain guys. Kumbaga sa ano ngayon what? Cheat day? Oh, seafood mukbang. Cheat day, seafood mukbang. Yan. No, lasyat mo na to.
Oh my mosquitoes getting in.
Ang dami mong pa katsitsuhan batiti. Go into the side where is no mosquitoes. So ko ilalagay ito,
Mag-spray
Han?
tayo, nak. Mag-spray tayo.
So ko ilalagay ito, tapon ko na lang.
Afterbirds under the RV.
Bili na ako ng pang-spray.
Next time, bili ka na lang ng ano? Maraming alak. Si Mrs. Guys, oh. Alright guys. Maghapon na kami nagluluto ni Mrs. Pero ito na yung pinakahuli, talong. Talong yung pinakahuli namin. Ano?
And I also
Tusok-tusokin mo muna. Tusok-tusokin mo. Asan yung stick? May stick. Ito to. Tusok-tusokin.
Baki, tumigil ka na, nak. Minom ka na ng water.
Mag-water ka na, Baki. Enough for the soda. Hindi ka na tumigil, ha? We're not depriving you. I told you. We're not depriving you. But you have to hands off with the food. Too much food in the belly. It leads to you get big bellies. Okay? Huli na to. Tapos, ang gagawin namin, magpa-perfect kami. Wala na rin kaming ininom ni Mrs. Ubos na yung alak namin. Sama na to. Okay na yun.
Ano? Baka hindi kaya.
O sige, sige. Balik mo na yun, Neng.
Oh,
O sige, sige. Balik mo na.
mahina na.
O sige, dahan-dahan lang. Sige lang. Pagtsagaan. Wala na kasing ano guys eh. Wala na kasing araw.
Mahina na.
Pero kaya pa. Ay, kaya pa oh. Tignan mo. Iniikot pa niya eh. Baka kasi biglang humangin mama eh.
Palapit tayo mamaya, matalsik kayo ng ano, mabutas lang.
Oh, baka mabutos lang. Kaparpit pa kami mama. Mahina battery. Kasi isa lang yung battery namin dyan. Nasaan yung isang battery natin, Han? Pwede mong pagpalitin.
Wala, inano ko yun.
Ha? Recycle mo?
Oh, binili yun.
Binili nila? Okay. Pag magpalit nga ako ng battery ng truck. Bangos, bangos! Nagjujuice na yung bangos. Juice. Nagjujuice. Madali lang naman maluto yung bangos basta may foil. Naka-foil. Okay. Sarado mo maraming mga langaw. Ay ano, mga mosquitoes. Mamayang gabi sigurado yan kasi nga gabi. Ayan, okay. Usawan, pulutan. Pulutan na walang alak. Alright guys, tapos na. Tapos ng ihaw-ihaw namin. Patayin na natin. Mamaya-maya konti, mag-ano kami. Papirepit kami. Maliwanag pa eh. May madali. Tikman natin to guys, bangos. Ano, halika. Bangos, bangos. Kalimutan ni Miss yung ipit eh. Mulutan na lang tayo, wala na tayong alak eh. Soft drinks na lang yung mga yan eh. Yun. Init. Okay guys, tapos na yung ihaw-ihaw namin. Medyo, anong oras na ba? Alas 9 na guys. So ano yun, Han? Tingnan nga. Meron si Mrs. bumili ng ganito. Ganito. Lagyan mo yung mga papel.
Basta yung papel.
Yung parang ano to, yung ito guys oh, fire starter. Ayan. Fire starter. Wala naman siyang Wala siyang parang gas, hindi amoy gas o amoy diesel, ano fuel. Basta ganun lang. Hopefully kayang-kaya niyang sunugin yan. Isa lang. Magkano bili mo nito, Han?
Dala nga mo yung binili.
Isa lang ito, susundin na. Ha?
Magkano?
Ano ko, saan ikaw bumili eh.
Anong price?
Batiti na naman.
Yar.
You only doing a perfect baki ah. We're not eating anymore.
Okay, change your,
You already
change your clothes kasi wala ka na.
Wala kang clothes. Wala kang clothes
Change
para
your other clothes there. It's in the garbage. And put this
You-
in your bed.
wear your clothes earlier for now, okay?
Itong carpet namin guys, galing ito sa sirang dryer.
Dryer. Yung dryer namin nasira, bumili kang bago. Sinira ni Mrs. para may perfect lang. Pwede pang gamitin eh.
Hindi sira na yun ha.
Hindi, pwede pa daw ayusin. Masyado ka naman kasi. Mamadali. Mamadali si Mrs.
Bone in there.
Lapit mo yung isang upuan dyan, Nel. This is yours, Maki. Alright! Guys! We are done with the ihaw-ihaw. Ngayon naman, andito kami sa fire pit.
Usap.
Usap-usap family matters.
But how long are we staying here? Like, how many days?
Mami,
Mom, how many days are
Mami
we
is
staying?
the planner.
Thursday uwi na tayo na.
What day is it?
Tomorrow is Wednesday. Mag-beach tayo.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And then Thursday we go home.
Yeah.
Can we get Slurpees before we go to the beach?
Yeah. We get Slurpee.
Slurpee. What Slurpee?
Doon sa gas station doon sa
Yeah, the gas station is like with the Slurpee. It's like nearby in the beach.
Enough that ah. Enough eating na. Okay.
There's wipes there na. Don't swipe anywhere.
Kuha ng wipe mo.
There's wipes.
Wipe your fingers. We don't have any water here.
I have a question. Whoa, how are you guys doing?
Alam mo nga
How are
hindi.
you guys doing?
What?
How are you guys doing?
What?
We're good.
Doing?
Yeah.
We're doing a great job already. We're doing a great job. Look. Enough the food. I said the wipes. I've said. Not that one. The other one.
Oh, well, yeah, you can take some since you
That
get.
one. Asa, Sinil, bigyan mo nga yung...
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go get mosquito
Give me,
spray.
I will give you. Sit down there, I will hand you one.
So cold, guys.
Make sure your crocs is not touching on the
Huwag kasi masusunog yan, Nil. Alright.
Salamat.
This is life, you know? This is...
Bakit?
Bagi... You yelling? Akala mo...
Guys,
You just... Guys, Baki is just eating bangus. And now he is strong to yell
Guys,
again.
guys.
Wala talaga.
Guys, when life gives you when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade.
When life gives you lemons.
Oh my
squeeze it
god,
into the
I'm being burnt.
Oh no.
No, when life
Those are
gives
my clothes now, Neil.
I'm
no
That's
wonder
not yours.
barbecue.
Baki, that's not yours.
Oh my god, I'm
Who
barbecue.
drinks is that?
It's Clark's.
O sige,
It's barbecue.
Where's my phone?
Burn it.
andun sa loob yata.
Clark, sit down here na.
Burn the floor.
That looks like AI.
Well, why is the sky so beautiful?
Yeah.
Sit down here.
Sit down here, sit down, Clark.
Don't worry, mix
Put
up
that
the-
into the cooler. Put that into the cooler, please. Now go.
Is that AI?
Alright guys, ayan. So, tapos na yung mukbang namin. nagsawa-sawa kami sa seafoods, maghapon kaming kumakain. Right, Han? Nabusog-busog din ako. Kumbaga sa pag nasa truck tayo, we're doing the diet, but when we are here with the family, we don't deprive ourselves, kumakain talaga kami. Kaya ayan guys, nakita nyo naman, ang dami naming linuto, inihaw, umuroon tayo sa seafoods, karne, marami pa, nandun pa sa loob ng fridge, hindi naman namin mauubos kasi ang plano dito, probably around o about 3 days kami rito sa St. Laurent. Dito na kami matutulog kasi ang biyahe ko is sa Friday pa, you know. Ayan. Ngayon nagpa-fire pit kami kasamang pamilya. Wala na kaming ininom ni Mrs. Gawa nga ng kalahating alak na lang yung dala-dala namin kaganina. Mula pa nung inuulit ko mula pa nung Canada Day, tira-tira na lang nila Mrs. Ayan, hindi na kami bumili. Tama na yung ganun. But anyway, mag-enjoy lang kami kasamang pamilya. So guys, what is the plan for tomorrow?
Go to the beach, I guess.
Do we go to the beach tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so siguro magpapaalam na lang kami guys. So, total naman is hapon na. Thank you for watching. Bukas pupunta tayo sa beach at kung ano bang activities kasamang lakay dito sa St. Laurent MB. Big shout out sa mga kababayan mga Pilipino rito sa St. Laurent at sa mga white people na nanonood dito sa St. Laurent. Thank you for watching guys. Guys, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye! Thank you.
Say bye!
Lakay, sa amin, Papa.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
What was that?
Alright you guys, yan. Thank you for watching. Once again, it's Lakay Tracker here. Ito nga lang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Dozen of family is living in this life that we're living today. And we are grateful that we are one of those family. Guys, I love you all. Keep up, keep grinding. Peace out. Love you all.
Wait, do that. Go on me.
Lakay Tracker.